Alright guys, this is a Master 575. This one's on loan from Slim Pickens, and it's a 5-pinner. Just to show you the bit on the key there. Put a high-low bit on it. That's it working with the key, which I haven't actually done yet. As you can see that the core, there's no spring in the core, no spring in the shackle around. Very smooth wheel lock. Master don't really have the best rep, and generally speaking, I don't really have the nicest things to say about them either. This isn't actually too bad a wheel lock. We've got spool pins on it. I would think probably 4 spools and 1 regular, and pin 1 is definitely the regular one. Because we lose our false set, and if we come back to pin 1, that's always the one that's caused the upset. So you can probably see the card rotation quite well, or maybe not, but it feels quite dramatic. There we go. That's it turned on again. It's very smooth. Really nice wheel lock, I have to say. As I said, I'm not usually a fan of Master Lock, but that's, well, it picked quite quickly, but I mean, it's not an easy pick, so not a bad wheel lock that. I've got a 570 as well, so I'll get that one done shortly after I get so much. Thanks for watching guys, cheers.